If you live in a rental apartment, you know the struggle is real. There is not enough space to store anything. And if you're African like me, you know we use big pots and pans to cook. So I don't have enough cabinet space to store all of my pots and pans, and I cook almost every day. Into this video, I'm just cleaning down my cabinet, my cover, my jars, and I have some oil stain from cooking African food all over the place. And also I want to organize my sink, under my sink. I bought some organizing kit of water. So I created bins from Bredington, and I also got some from Marshall. And I also have another cover down below where I keep my big pots and pans. And I just want to organize my jar and where I keep my utensils and also my components and everyday meals. So I'm just wiping down and using my Mrs. Meyer to wipe down my cover and putting the stuff back that I have up there. Like I said, if you live in an apartment, we don't have enough space. So some of my stuff that I use for like my kids stand and my extra pieces, I keep it over my kitchen cabinet, so I have small kids so they won't be able to reach it. In this cabinet is where I keep some of my dry goods and snacks for the kids, but I have so much stuff in there. Some of the stuff will expire, some been there from last year. I needed to get everything out and reorganize this cabinet. Like I said, I have a small space that I'm working with, so I got to make sure that it's clutter free. Under the sun, yes, I'll come back to you. One thing I like about this apartment is they have the built-in lazy Susan, so that's helped a lot. It's where I keep my seasoned and everyday spices, and also my sink. Under my sink have a good amount of space, so that's helped a lot. As you can see, guys, this cover below was a disaster, a complete mess. That cabinet under there is where the kids go to get the cereal bowl, and also is where I keep my pots and things. I was just over it. You couldn't find anything when you go under there. Everything just a hot mess, guys. It's worse than World War III. This utensil organizer, the first one that I bought, I got from Walmart, and this second one I got from Ross. It's very good. It helps to keep your utensil organized and separated. The new one that I got from Ross is a little smaller than the one I got from Walmart, so I'm just going to switch it to the other jar, and then the one I got from Ross, I'm going to put it in the other jar, so that way I can put my utensil in there, and my opener for my wine, and also my can opener can go in the bigger one. Thanks, guys, for always supporting me, and I welcome all of my new subscribers. If you would love to be a part of my YouTube family, I would love to have you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Make sure you turn your bell notification on so you never miss an upload from me. Just keep watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.